All right, YouTube, what is going on? We got 7 satellites. We're gonna see what we can do with this. It has a Max 8 G2 in there, and yeah. I'm gonna turn this little thing on. We're running the CNH 4S pack, 4S lipo. We're gonna hit track. We're gonna hit start, and as you can see, it's picking up. Turn this thing on. Hobby Wing Max 8 G2 censored system on the stock motor, and we got some high-speed gear, but it ain't even the bigger one. It ain't got the biggest and smallest one on it can have. So it hit 85 mile an hour with stock ESC with the same setup. Let's see what it does with this Max 8 G2, or if it needs any more gear. It might not do nothing. This will be what my little setup pass around here. We got 12 satellites now, so let's run this thing down here and see what happens. Why is it not working? I hope it's on the wrong car. There we go. Hey, when I take off of this, dude, you're gonna have to get back. That car's coming. Just turn around there. Let's just do it. See what happens. Here, slow down, try to turn it around. Oh, I lost signal of it. It's in the ditch. We're gonna have to go get it. Get in the car, boy. It went off road and I can't stop the camera. Get in the car. Come on, boy, we gotta go get the car. Run off road. Get in. You ain't gotta buckle up, just get in. Gotta go recover the car. We didn't wreck it. We just lost signal or something, made it go off the road there. So we're gonna get it. We'll keep on recording. We'll go see what it ran. I wasn't even in it. I got in it pretty good there at the end, but it didn't wind out all the way, I don't believe. Where'd it go off the road at? That's the bad part. How far down here was you? Little buddy, where you at? We keep hitting the... Yeah, it went in here somewhere. Better turn the hazard lights on. I don't think it went down as far. I'm gonna have to get out and find it. Yeah. Oh, don't you open that door, boy. There's a car right there. You gonna go around me or you gonna sit there, dude? God damn. Genius. God damn, dumbasses. No, you're not going with me. Just stay there. Alright, we're still recording. Let me find this car real quick. Where did I go off the road at? We're alright. Bubby, I lost my car, dude. You think it went in the bigger grass? Hell, you might have to help me find it. I think it went down here somewhere, I thought. Yeah, I see something blue too, but that ain't it. That's a hairnet. How in the world do you lose a whole car? Like, what the hell? This is ridiculous. I don't think it came down here this far. This is nuts. I have lost my car. Well, hell, folks. I know I let it come far, but I didn't think I let it come this far. That's crazy. Where you at, little buddy? And hitting this ditch, you know it didn't go too damn far. That car stopped and picked my car up. What the world, man? Where's my car? Like, did that car really stop and pick my car up? I'm starting to wonder. Starting to wonder. Hey, there he is. We found him. There he is, flipped over. What you doing, man? Stop. Here, let's do this. Is my GPS in here? Oh, it ain't loading up. Oh man, tell me that ain't going. Are you in there, buddy? Yeah, he's in there. You gonna work or what? Stop. Read 84. See, it's still over the 80 though, but we're gonna have to put it to, I gotta run that again. We're gonna run that back. Hold on, y'all. We'll be right back. But there's that one, 84 mile an hour.